Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 5 days ago. As you can see, I made it on October 11th and the price of this asset was at $6.10. And here you can see that my main assumption was that as long as this bottom holds, we have decent chances to hit the range of about $8.19 with an upside potential of almost $35. But if this asset breaks this bottom, in this case it should act as a stop loss, and in this case we will have lower price action and longer consolidation phase. Here you can see that the downside, it is the same exact video. Here you can see that the downside potential to the stop loss was not more than 4%. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point and 2 days after I made my previous video, this asset broke the range of support and it went lower. And for now, on pre-market hours, it is down by 2.5%. And from the range where I made my previous video, this asset lost almost 15%. And guys, this is the perfect example how technical analysis works. You can see that we have a decent upside potential of about 35% with a downside potential of less than 4%. This means it was quite a lucrative trade, but we hit our stop loss order, and this stop loss brought us just 3.84% of losses, but it prevents us from the losses for almost 15%. And this is a very good example of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that this golden pocket range was not only the range of the highest probability of trend reversal, but it was a crucial range to diversify the motive wave and the diagonal. And guys, take a look right here. The first sign that we weren't in a motive wave, but it is not the best sign. Let me first of all delete unnecessary tools. The first sign was that the top of our third wave didn't reach 1.618 extension. If I pull, let me show you, if I pull the FIBA extension tool from the bottom of the first to the top of the first and to the bottom of the retracement, the price target was at roughly $8.5 mark. And the second range and the most crucial level for today's video I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. But for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. First of all, I want to show you this set of news. This one is the first one. We are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on October 14th. And it's titled, NIO September Deliveries Breakdown. ES6 and ET5T contribute over 60%. And guys, definitely this title shows that just two models give about 60% of their sales. And is it good or bad? Let me explain. So, first of all, ES6 and ET5T are extremely successful models for NIO. But other models, take a look right here. NIO EC6 monthly deliveries had a very low range of sales, but I want to pay attention to ET5 and ES8. Guys, take a look right here. ET5 has the most interesting chart. At the very beginning on September of 2022, as you can see, these numbers skyrocketed to more than 7.5 thousand vehicles per month. But then it had quite substantial decrease in its sales, and for now they are hovering around in between 3,000 and 2,000 vehicles. On top of that, guys, other vehicles have even lower ranges of sales, and this is quite a negative sign, because all of these models have a huge numbers of capital expenditures, have a huge numbers of R&D spendings, and without high numbers of sales, all of these spendings were useless. And that is why, guys, on the one hand, these ES6 and ET5T models are extremely successful, but on the other hand, other models, and NIO has plenty of them, other models don't have this type of successful sales. In general, let's take a look on the China EV insurance registrations for week ending October 13. In general, NIO still has quite substantial sales, about 4.7 thousand vehicles, but in my opinion, they have to improve these numbers, because they stated about 1 month ago or month and a half ago that they will hit 200,000 vehicles sold this year. And without the sales of 5,000 vehicles per month and above, they will not reach this target. And if this target will not be smashed by NIO, in this case, investors will be unhappy, and guess what? The price might go down. So, I have to admit that from the fundamental standpoint, the most recent news are not so positive. That is why we have quite a substantial decrease in its price. And by the way, guys, somewhere at this point, I told you that if this asset doesn't break $7.37 range of resistance, it will have a substantial decrease in its price. And it happens. So let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, I have to say that a technical analysis is nothing else but the game of probabilities. And we have to choose the most probable outcome for a certain asset. And for now, I have to say that this breakdown to the upside that has a 5-wave structure in it is not so probable for now, because we didn't hit with the top of the third wave 1.618 extension level. On top of that, guys, with this movement to the downside, we broke the range of support at $5.69, the previous top. This means it is not a motive wave anymore. And guys, the crucial point for this asset is this one. If it breaks $4.89 with its movement to the downside, we will eliminate the count to the upside, and the only possible way how we can count these two movements, these two waves, is the retracement from the highest level on the grand scheme thing. We have to count these waves as an ABC correction, and in this case 5 waves to the downside are very possible. But so far, guys, let's take a look on the volume, and on 4 hours time frame you can see that we have a substantial increase in volume during its movement to the upside, and this volume might lead to the conclusion that we are still quite bullish, but this crucial level should hold. And guys, why we have to keep an eye on this level? Because we cannot have the retracement of the in the movement to the upside that is deeper than the initial wave. We cannot have the bottom of the fourth wave that is deeper than the bottom of the second wave. And so far we have this wave right here, but in this case the top of our fifth wave might be somewhere from $7.71 all the way up to let's say, if it is the real bottom, if this range holds. Well, I don't see that within upcoming weeks we might break $7.7 mark. And so far the best possible choice is to wait on the sidelines, because we have to see the reaction out of this level, and we have to see this level untouched by the price, because in this case we still have chance to see at least a bounce to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just